We saw some huge downpours last night. We even saw some severe weather alerts and damage. Blake Harms is here now with a recap on that.
A bit of a surprise is in the way they popped up, especially in Bostwick Lake. That was near Cannon Township. Residents there awoke to the sound of boats flipping, trees coming crashing down. We talked to Carla Thompson. She was awake when the storm blew in.
It scared the daylights out of me, you know. So my first thought was, I just thought it was a branch. I thought, oh, okay, a branch came down, cool, we'll deal with it. And then I realized the whole tree was uprooted and laying on my car. I'm going to enjoy my 4th of July. We're not going to worry about this. We just cleaned it up enough to get the car out, and now we're out, and we're going to head out of town. So we'll deal with it when we get back.
It's a good way to look at it. Lots of residents in good spirits there. Thankfully, no injuries reported in that area, despite several trees coming down on homes. And that was just some of the damage that we saw reported in northern Kent County, also much of Newaygo County up into Mecosta, and then far western Montcalm County as well. Now, as we look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for tomorrow, Michigan's sitting right on the edge of severe weather over the next several days. Much of it expected to remain off to our south as we head through the remainder of the weekend. Enhanced risk in place for parts of Illinois and Indiana. Michigan just too far north for that marginal or level 1 out of 5 risk. Although, as Ellen mentioned, we are going to continue to track the chance for showers and storms in your forecast. She'll have more on that coming up in a few minutes.